Come on, don't stop this thing.
We now know that to reverse illness and disease in the body, we have to consume only the alkaline/electric based foods. The human body is electric/alkaline, so consuming the alkaline foods ensures that our body will be able to heal and fight off all illnesses and diseases. With alkaline/electric foods, the body will always be in optimal performance, which will leave us feeling our best and youngest. Note: drink at least 1 gallon of water a day, as this helps the body to hydrate and get rid of toxins in the body. Page 3. Fried rice/quinoa cuisine. Ingredients: quinoa or wild rice, 1 cup. Sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Grapeseed oil, 1 tablespoon. Thyme, 3 stems. Okra, 4 ounces. Onion, 1/2. Water, 2 cups. Directions: Step 1. Add quinoa or quinoa, thyme, and water to saucepot. Step 2. Cook 15 minutes on medium heat. Step 3. Wash and chop onion and okra into smaller pieces. Step 4. Add grapeseed oil to skillet on medium heat. Step 6. Add chopped onion and okra to skillet on medium heat. Step 7. Add cooked quinoa and thyme from saucepot to skillet with chopped onion and okra. Step 8. Stir regularly until completely fried. Step 9. Cool 5 minutes and serve. Serves 2 to 3 people. Serves 2 to 3 people. Page 4. Zucchini dinner cuisine. Ingredients: zucchini, 2. Quinoa, 1 cup. Grapeseed oil, 2 tablespoons. Thyme, 3 stems. Sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Water, 1/2 cup. Directions: Step 1. Add quinoa, thyme, and water to saucepot. Step 2. Cook 15 minutes on medium heat. Step 3. Wash and peel zucchini. Step 4. Chop or slice zucchini into smaller pieces. Step 5. Add grapeseed oil to skillet on medium heat. Step 6. Add chopped zucchini to skillet on medium heat. Step 7. Add water and sea salt to skillet. Step 8. Cover slightly and reduce heat. Step 9. Cook 15 minutes. Step 10. Combine both quinoa and zucchini together in skillet on low heat 5 minutes. Step 11. Cool 5 minutes and serve. Serves 2 to 3 people. Page 5. Jamaican Ital soup. Ingredients: pumpkin squash 1, Mexican squash 2, thyme 3 stems, basil 1/4 teaspoon, sea salt 1 tablespoon, garbanzo bean flour 1/2 cup. Directions: Step 1. Wash and peel pumpkin and Mexican squash. Step 2. Slice pumpkin and Mexican squash into smaller pieces. Step 3. Knead garbanzo bean flour and water until properly mixed together. Step 4. Make small dumplings with garbanzo bean flour. Step 5. Add pumpkin squash, Mexican squash, thyme, dumplings, sea salt, and basil to pot with boiling water. Step 6. Cook on medium heat 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 7. Cool 10 minutes and serve.
Coming from the grave. Coming from the grave. Coming from the grave. The moonlight's warm and the high ground. A bowl of bread in my belly. A bowl of bread in my tummy. A bowl of bread in my belly. And me alone and yam my bola. Me alone and yam my bola. Walk in the kitchen and smell something. I want that looks so.
Perfect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.
Made it, oh made it, made it.